It's been a hard, long week, but it's been great helping volunteer here at the Fargo Dome and at people's homes. It's just amazing how people help and how they want to help everywhere. It's just great.
I'm not too worried because it seems like the water is going down pretty quick, and I just think that Fargo has such a good hold on everything. I heard they're putting poly on all the dikes to prevent it from getting more water and stuff. So I think we're all right now.
I don't like it. I'm sick of snow. It needs to stop.
Oh man, you just kind of hope for the best. Hope that the water keeps on going down. Hope that the dikes continue to hold. The seepage is at a minimum. And just man the dikes the best you can. We got the help from the National Guard. The whole community is in support together. So it's been pretty nice.